Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Google Drive gives you a simple central place to store photos and files. It provides 15 GB free storage shared across Drive, Gmail, and Photos. You can upload common image formats including JPG, PNG, HEIC, and RAW without conversion. Drive supports desktop sync, mobile upload, and web access for consistent file availability. The platform allows up to 750 GB per day of uploads for most accounts. Use Drive instead of scattered backups to simplify organization and access across devices. Install the Google Drive desktop app to sync a dedicated Photos folder automatically. Place your images inside that folder, and the app uploads changes in the background. On mobile, enable backup and sync to upload photos over Wi-Fi or cellular selectively. Choose high quality or original quality when prompted to control storage consumption. Monitor your daily usage because Drive limits uploads to 750 GB per day for safety. Confirm successful uploads by checking the web interface or the app sync icon. Create clear folders and subfolders to organize photos by year, event, or subject. Use names like 2025-06 Vacations and 2024 Family to keep consistent ordering. Add descriptive file names and apply color labels or stars for quick retrieval. Share folders with specific people or create links and set view or edit permissions accordingly. Enable two-step verification and use a strong password to secure your Google account. Consider purchasing extra storage if you need more than 15 GB for long-term archiving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.